everyone, welcome back to the channel. Launching your own business can be one of the most rewarding experiences of your life. But the path to getting there can be a bit bumpy. So if you're thinking about launching a business in Texas, setting up an LLC is a great place to start. It's one of the simplest ways to protect yourself legally while keeping things flexible as you grow. So for today's video, we'll go over 2 ways to set up an LLC for your business. 1, by doing it all yourself directly through the state, or 2, by using an LLC formation service that takes care of everything for you. The service I personally used was ZenBusiness. They took care of all the legal stuff accurately and saved me a ton of time in the process. That being said, let's get into it. So what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, known as a limited liability company, is a type of business structure that's flexible, but also gives you liability protection. By forming an LLC, you establish a separate legal entity for your business, meaning your personal assets are separate from your company's liabilities. In other words, if your LLC has any legal problems, or even debt, your personal assets should be out of the picture. Also, LLCs give their owners flexibility in management, taxation options, and the chance to bring in multiple owners, known as members, who can share in the company's profits and losses. All of these benefits have made the LLC a popular choice for many entrepreneurs starting new or existing ventures. First, let's go through the process as if you were doing it on your own. LLCs are formed at the state level. So to set up your LLC in Texas, you would go through their Secretary of State department. To get started though, you need to choose a name for your LLC. Make sure the name you pick is unique and not already in use or similar to another business. The business name database on the Texas Secretary of State's website can help you make sure the name you want is available. But there is a $1 fee for each search. You can, however, run a free search through the taxable entity search on the Texas Comptroller website. Now, Texas has a few guidelines when it comes to naming your business. Of course, the name should be unique, and the name must have limited liability company either spelled out or abbreviated in the business name. On the other hand, the name can't have the words government, bank, or veteran without permission to do so. Next step, you need a registered agent. A registered agent's job is to be the middleman for important legal documents for the business. As long as the person is a legal adult resident of Texas and is available during state business hours, they can be a registered agent. If you fit these requirements, then you can be the agent for your LLC. But it's important to take privacy into consideration. The registered agent's name and physical address are listed on public record for anyone to be able to access at any time. For that reason, many businesses choose to use a professional service to take care of this requirement for them. And along with privacy, for the peace of mind that they are always available should any important legal papers ever come through. Once you have a name and a registered agent, you can move on to actually creating your LLC. In Texas, you do this by officially filing the certificate of formation with the state. Some of the questions asked are the name and address of the LLC, the names of all members, managers, and directors, the name and address of the registered agent, how the LLC will be managed, the purpose of the LLC, and the signature of the LLC's organizer. The $300 filing fee is due with the application, and you can file your paperwork online, mail, or in person. After filing your application, you need to create an operating agreement. It's not a legal requirement in Texas like some other states, but having one is important, even if the LLC only has one member. These documents outline how ownership is to be divided in the LLC, the roles of each member, how decisions will be made, What happens if a member wants to leave the business? Or if the members want to end the LLC altogether? They are a blueprint for your business. Now, whatever you decide to put in your operating agreement at the beginning isn't set in stone. They can and should be updated whenever there are changes in the LLC. These agreements are incredibly important in order to avoid misunderstandings and problems you might face down the line. Next, you need an employer identification number, or EIN for your business. An EIN is kind of like a social security number for your business. Getting one is important if you plan to open a business bank account, apply for a business loan, hire employees, or even pay business income taxes. The name you apply for your EIN must match the name of your LLC. Getting an EIN is free and can be done online or by mail directly through the IRS. Finally, you need to get your business ready to pay the necessary taxes. LLC owners are primarily responsible for federal taxes. Because LLCs are considered pass-through entities, the business itself isn't responsible for reporting and paying taxes. That responsibility is passed on to the owner, or owners, unless you choose to be taxed as a corporation. So, all income from the business is then reported and paid through the owner's federal tax return. Texas is one of the few states that don't have individual or corporate income tax. But Texas does impose an annual franchise tax. The forms are due by May 15th of each year. If that date happens on a weekend or federal holiday, then the due date will be the next business day. Now, if your business makes $2.47 million or more, there is a state table on the state comptroller website to figure out how much you'll owe. If your business earned less than that amount, your business is exempt from the franchise tax, although you would still need to file a public information report and the ownership information report, 2 separate documents, by that May 15th deadline. So make sure you stay on top of any self-employment, payroll taxes if you plan to have employees, along with sales tax. All right, if going through all of these steps on your own sounds like a headache, don't worry, you're not alone. Honestly, I didn't want to risk messing something up and having to start over. That's why I went with ZenBusiness to form my business. So if you're short on time, or just want to avoid the stress of figuring out all the paperwork and legal details, using a business formation service like ZenBusiness can really simplify the process. It takes a lot of the guesswork out and helps you move forward with confidence. Personally, ZenBusiness was the better fit for me, but there are a few other noteworthy services out there, like Taylor Brands, LegalZoom, and Swift Filings. And if you're curious how they compare, I've linked my full reviews in the description below to give you a better idea. So let's talk about ZenBusiness and why it stood out to me. Well, for starters, they aren't new. They've been around since 2015 and currently hold an excellent 4.8 rating on Trustpilot with over 24,700 customer reviews. And they don't help you start your business and leave you to figure out the rest for yourself. They also help keep your business up and running with features like compliance reminders, website tools, and bookkeeping options. So I think their wide range of services could be very helpful for any new or even experienced entrepreneurs. And if you want to give ZenBusiness a try for your LLC, be sure to check out the affiliate link in the description below. It doesn't cost you a cent more, though we may earn a small commission, which really helps the channel. And sometimes our link can give you access to special deals you won't find by going directly through their website. So what does applying for an LLC with ZenBusiness look like? The first step is to click the Start an LLC button. From there, choose Texas from the drop-down menu. Then type in the name you've picked for your LLC. Next, you'll need to provide your contact information, like your name, email address, and phone number. On the next few screens, you'll answer a cluster of pretty simple questions. Essentially, these questions help the platform understand your business, so they can get an idea of what your business will need. Then you'll be able to choose your plan. There's 3 to choose from, depending on how quickly you want things done and how much help you're looking for. If you're just trying to get started for the lowest cost, their starter plan gets the job done with no fee. But you, of course, are still on the hook for any filing fees the state charges. And they'll handle the filing in about a week. They'll also give you the option to try out their worry-free compliance service for free the first year. Next up is the Pro Plan. It's $200 a year plus state fees. But you get rush filing, usually done in just 1 business day. Plus, it includes an operating agreement template, a business document library, and logo builder kit. Plus, the Pro Plan gives you free 30-day access to their online tools, which includes a domain name, email, and website. If you want to keep using those features, the online tools renew starting at $15 a month. So it's basically everything you need to get up and running. And it covers your compliance moving forward too, so you don't have to worry about missing any deadlines. But if you want all the bells and whistles with a registered agent and business advisor consultation, there's the premium plan at $349 for the first year, with access to those same online tools as the Pro Plan, plus a special 60-day offer for invoicing and bookkeeping services, which you can renew for $60 a month after the trial if you want to keep using that feature. So really, it just depends on your budget and how much you want to do yourself versus how much you'd rather have done for you, whether you're looking to spend as little as possible or want more of an all-in-one setup. There's a plan for everything. So that wraps up our 2 ways to set up an LLC in Texas. By 1, doing it all yourself, and 2, having ZenBusiness do everything for you, taking about as much time as making a cup of tea in the morning. At the end of the day, it just depends on what you need. If you'd rather take a faster, streamlined option, ZenBusiness is a great choice. It's simple to use, the process is quick, and they offer more than just formation. They've got tools for compliance, websites, and bookkeeping, just to name a few. Or if you don't mind the time and research, then doing the DIY route is doable too. Whichever route you decide to go, you're never without options, and we're here to help every step of the way. And that does it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. And just as a reminder, if you want to try ZenBusiness, check out the description below for our exclusive affiliate link to get started. Also, if you're interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, just reach out using the email in the description below. And as always, I love hearing from you guys. So if you have a question or something to add, go ahead and drop those in the comments below. I can't wait to read them, and I'll do my best to try and respond as quickly as I can. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one.